Greetings and welcome to Yarnspirations. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life, and in this video we're going to take a closer look at the star of the show, crochet blanket. Now this is a very simple to stitch blanket. It's made in one piece from the bottom up, and it has this interesting star shape pattern that's done by cleverly placing some chain one spaces. You can get the materials list when you click below to download the free pattern on the website, and while you're down there, subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. And you're going to use some Bernat Baby Blanket. I used a darker color than the white because it just shows up more nicely on camera. So here is our stitching, and you can see the bottom two legs of our stars getting started. So let's take a look at the pattern. As is often the case here on Yarnspirations, you can follow along using the text or the chart. So you're going to get started by chaining 71, and for the first row you're going to double crochet in fourth chain from hook, which will count as 2 double crochet, the one you've just made and the chain 3, and double crochet in each chain to end of chain and turn. That'll give you 69 double crochet. For the second row you're going to chain 3 and double crochet in each double crochet to end of row and turn. So I have already done that. My piece of course is smaller than yours. I'm just going to do this first star so we can get the hang of what the work looks like. So I'm on the third row. I'm going to chain 3, double crochet in each of next 2 double crochet, and we can see that right here. You can see that that says 3, so I know it's the third row. I know I'm reading in that direction because that's where the number of the row is. And so there's my chain 3 at the beginning of the row, double crocheting in each of the next 2 double crochet. So let me put them in, and then we'll go back to the instructions. So there's my chain 3 at the beginning of the row, 1, 2, 3. And then I'm going to double crochet in each of the next 2 double crochet, which will give me 3 double crochet in a row, counting that chain 3, whoops, and that will give me those 3 white boxes on the chart. At that point, I'm going to chain 1, skip next double crochet, that's this guy, double crochet in next double crochet twice. So that was the first time. Chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in next double crochet. So there are my 2 spaces. And here are my 2 spaces on the diagram. So then it says double crochet in each of next 10. So this guy's already counted. We've already made that. So we're going to do 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And that's exactly what it says in the text. So let's go ahead and do that. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, chain 1, skip next double crochet in next double crochet twice. So that was 1, chain 1, skip 1, double crochet in next double crochet. So there's the beginning of my star. Now in your case, you're going to double crochet in each of next 5 double crochet, then you're going to repeat from the single asterisk once, then from the asterisk to the double asterisk once more, double crochet in each of the last 2 double crochet in turn. And of course, if you're following along on the diagram, it's all written out right here. Now my piece is going to end right here, so I should have 1, 2, 3, 4 double crochets left to do. Well, I'll have 4 total, one's already there. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, and that's the end of my row. So I'm going to turn the work and chain 3, 1, 2, 3, and double crochet in each of next 2 double crochet is what your instructions say. Again, in my case it's 3, just because my sample size is not quite the same as yours, but I will catch up by comparing it to the diagram. Chain 1, skip 1 stitch. In this case, we're skipping that chain 1, and then it says double crochet in each of next 3 stitches. So that's the double, the chain in the chain space, and the next stitch. Chain 1, skipped next double crochet, that's this guy, double crochet in each of next 7 double crochet. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, skip next double crochet in each of next 3 stitches. So that's the double. Whoops, sorry about that. Caught a piece of thread there. I've been sewing this week. 2, that's going in the chain. 3, chain 1, skip next stitch. Now again, your instruction will tell you double crochet in each of next 6, but I've only got this small piece, so I'm just going to double crochet to the end. So here we are, row 4, the 4th row is completed, and you can see our stars start to build up. And there's our 4th row right there. Now just a reminder, I read the 3rd row in this direction. If I'm following along with the chart, I'm going to read the 4th row in this direction because that's the side of the work where I'm starting. 5th row in this direction, 6th row in this direction, 7th, etc. So I'm just going to keep following along, either following along the text or following along with the diagram right here. until I have gotten through the 16th row, which is up here. And then I'm going to repeat the 3rd to the 16th rows twice more and end off. For the edging with the right side facing, I'm going to join yarn with slip stitch to any corner, chain 2, in that case it's going to count as a half double crochet, 2 double half crochet in same corner as last stitch. And so we want to have 3 in these corners, because when you put extra in the corners, it just makes the corners lay flatter. 1 round of half double crochet evenly around edge of blanket, having 3 half double crochet in each corner, joined with slip stitch to first half double crochet and fasten off. So that's all there is to this. It's a super simple pattern, and I really think that it's very unique for a baby blanket. It's got a nice graphic quality to it. It would look pretty terrific in almost any color. So thank you so much for joining us here for the star of the show, Crochet Blanket, here on Yarnspirations. I'm Mary Beth Temple for Hooked for Life. Please subscribe to the channel for fresh content weekly on knitting, crocheting, and other yarny stuff. And we look forward to seeing you again here real soon. Bye-bye.